ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi da ka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ke East West Group of Institution Bangalore kebeladon kumasan post MA bat ke bapau baha ke kod admission na kebenta ke nursing and paramedical course yang jingte bakambanya kol hai kini ke number harum.
Thank you.
Hulladek recycling ha ke jeng Trei lang Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board mendak sngi kar phoi truk ujamang klapun long ek e-waste management submit arachar pusau Meghalaya chapter. Ha ke ni e-waste management submit arachar pusau Meghalaya chapter lawan manyadan bentalang duar naina malai ubri chairman ke Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board Dr. G.H. Sharmang, MFS, member secretary ke Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board, berunadan mal ubri founder but CEO ke Hulladek recycling. Ia kena e-waste management submit arachar pusau Meghalaya chapter la penlong asilong club Meghalaya. Kena ke jing Trei lang jong ke Hulladek recycling bagi Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board kan long berwandra ke Pynjyrngam ya ke Jylla.
We are one of the very few states in Meghalaya in the whole country that have come out with the inventarization of e-waste. So recently we have completed, after much effort, we have completed the inventarization of the e-waste, which will act as a pathway or breakthrough to proceed ahead on how to tackle and deal with the problems and the pollution of e-waste. So as for the matter, we see that from the just to show a general trend, we have seen that the maximum waste generated is from commercial and schools and colleges and plus the offices, and then we see that Shillong East Khasi Hills is the maximum generator of e-waste, and followed by the West Garo Hills, and the least the district with the least polluted e-waste is on West Khasi Hills. So I'll be presenting in details in my sessions. It's quite details in that. So this e-waste, it was under the Environment Protection Act 1986 under Section 6 and 25 of the EPA Act. The central government is empowered to notify rules which will be implemented both by the state and the central. As you know, these are the subjects under the concurrent list. So under this e-waste also has been framed, but it was initially notified in 2011 and then subsequently in 2018, 22 and then eventually 23 and 24. Because there was some ruling from the Honorable NGT, so some that rules has been amended twice. So when it comes to awareness, it is very difficult because we generally think waste as a waste. Now the time has come that we also categorize the waste. We don't say generally as a waste, we say solid waste, e-waste, obviously plastic waste, so on and so forth. So now because their disposal and treatment are totally different from one and the other. So we have to understand it that way, and therefore for that purpose we have come hand in hand with the Hulladek, which is the largest recycler registered under the EPR, and we hope with their expertise in the field they will bring awareness to at least because today we are having the target from the offices. If we can at least recycle or reuse or dispose this e-waste in an environmentally friendly way, that will definitely reduce the down e-waste generation in our state. See, after that dumping of e-waste, it has a lot of it causes land pollution will be there, water pollution will be there, air pollution will be there, because if you burn e-waste, like the expert have said, that there are so many materials which are carcinogenic, there are so many which cause respiratory disease and so on and so forth, and on such matter a study has to be conducted.
I'm Nandan Mak, founder and CMD at Hulladek Recycling. We've been an electronic waste management company for the last decade. We've been working in 20 states across the country. Today we are here in Meghalaya, in the, as they say, Scotland of the East, in Jylla, and we are here today to extend this initiative to all of Meghalaya. Today, in association with the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board, we have launched an electronic waste collection bin, which is going to be placed at the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board. And The idea behind this is that we do now understand through various government initiatives that there is dry waste and wet waste that needs to be segregated, but there's another kind of waste that requires a separate bin because it is hazardous in nature, causes environmental issues. That is your electronic waste, and therefore it requires a separate bin, it requires separate segregation. And to spread this message across, we have set up this bin. We plan to set up 50 such bins across the state with the support of the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board, and we look forward to making Meghalaya more greener and e-waste free as soon as possible. So once the material is collected, it is primarily broken down into three basic parts. We have metals, plastic and glass. And the fourth element, which is the key element, which is the hazardous substance, which needs to be recycled from the electronic waste. For example, if you look at a battery, it contains lead. Lead is a carcinogen. It's a carcinogenic substance that is cancer if you are exposed to it. So the lead needs to be properly removed and recycled, and then the battery can be reused or replenished for further use. So similarly, all the carcinogen or hazardous substances in the electronic waste are removed, treated, and then disposed of. And the metals, plastic, and glass are reused as raw materials for making new products out of it. So ferrous metals like iron, non-ferrous metals like copper, aluminium, various kinds of plastic such as PET, PV, etc. are used for making new materials, new products. That's how this is. So we've been in Meghalaya for the last 3 years. We have some very able partners in Shillong who've been working with us, and we feel that the entire Northeast is quite unaware, or the level of recycling of electronic waste is currently quite low. So we wanted to spread that word and also ensure that maximum e-waste from all of Northeast, specifically from Meghalaya, gets recycled, and we continue to enjoy the nature that we've seen growing up, and we don't end up losing it. That's the whole idea.